Hi everyone, get ready with me as I tell you the story kung bakit naging cramming edition itong video na to. So this video was actually filmed around April 17 kasi yun yung scheduled date ko for my appointment. And kukuha kasi ako ng PSA birth certificate for my college enrollment. Isa ito sa mga requirements para makapag-enroll ako for college. And the reason why April 17 yung schedule kasi I needed to process the birth certificate na as soon as possible. Kasi yung scheduled date namin for enrollment sa civil engineering na course is only around April 20 to 22 and the only available schedule for the appointment was I think around April 17 and 8 a.m. yun, di ba? Sobrang aga. Kaya ayun, nagmamadali ako kasi ang tagal kong nakaligo at nakabihis. Sinayang ko lang yung 2 oras ko na dapat sana nag-prepare na ako noon. Pero ayun, nag-cellphone na kasi pagkagising sa umaga. Charis. And then, ayun, madaling-madali na talaga ako dito guys kasi 1 oras akong nag-makeup. As in, 1 oras talaga ha. And ang yung nakasabi sa email is, please arrive 30 minutes before your appointment. And guys, I cannot risk losing this appointment kasi baka hindi ako makapag-enroll for college. But anyways, ayan, natagalan ako kasi ang dami ko pang ginawa. Nag-bake pa ako, nag-set pa ako ng powder and all. Pero yun lang din naman yung kalalabasan. Simple makeup lang, hindi naman siya glam makeup. But anyways, I hope you like this video. And thank you for, staying. And goodbye guys!